Welcome back to Miriyoram once again. And our Dr. Kumar ആണ് PhD astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert, wellness and lifestyle consultant. He's travelled all over the world. He's met by celebrities and film stars. ഇന്ന് ഡോക്ടർ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഹാഫ് ആൻ അവർ കൂടി ഡോക്ടർ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റുഡിയോയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓൾറൈറ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ, വി ഹാവ് എ കോളർ വിത്ത് us.
ഓക്കെ.
ഹലോ, നമസ്കാരം.
ഹലോ, നമസ്കാരം.
മിരിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
ആഷിബയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്. ഷഹീദ ആഷിബയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, ആഷിന. ആഷിബ. ഓക്കെ, ആഷിബയുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
ജനുവരി 1.
ഓക്കെ.
ജനുവരി 4.
ഓക്കെ.
2002.
ഓക്കെ. 2002. ടൈം?
കേരള. ജനിച്ചത് കേരള. 10:30 AM.
10:30 ഓക്കെ. കേരള.
കേരള.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
അവളുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്.
Okay, she would like to know about education.
Okay, your Simha Rashi and your Puram Nakshatra. Puram Nakshatra. Actually, the Ardha Shani is just started in November 2014 up till October 2017 for.
Ardha Shani.
Yes, Ardha Shani is just started, and you have even Chava Dosham at the same time.
Chava Dosham there?
Yes, you have Chava Dosham. Your birth number is 4, life path number is 9. You can go for the prosperity pendant number 9, not 4 but 9. And even you
Chava Dosham started which time?
No, Chava Dosham is in the Jatakam, so you have to do the necessary prayers.
Prayers?
Yeah, prayers, necessary prayers in your native place. Plus the Dasha which is going on is Moon, Chand Dasha. Yeah, that is Chandrama Dasha, Moon Dasha, which is up till 2022. And what is what is your question?
Education.
Yeah. So education, you see, I would advise you can
career.
Yeah, first but you are still studying now?
Studying. She is 7th standard.
It's for her daughter.
7th standard?
Yes.
7th.
Okay, 7th standard. Did she get a break in the study sometime?
No.
Or she was admitted late to the no
she is continuous 7th standard.
Okay. Basically, education, I will tell her, you can keep a crystal pyramid on a table. Keep a crystal pyramid on a table. That is best for concentration.
She using diamond stud.
She is using
diamond stud.
Diamond stud she is using?
Yes.
Yes, she can. You want me to check whether she can wear diamond stud or no? Diamond. Yes, she can wear diamond stud. Yeah, diamond stud she can wear. But if you want to know about the stone, she can wear even a margadam also at the same time.
Okay.
Yes, she can go for the margadam also at the same time.
Okay.
And this Chava Dosham is there in the Jatakam. You can do the necessary prayers when what you say, you go to the native place. Not very urgent.
Right. Okay.
And you can keep 9 pieces of peacock feather in the room.
Chava Dosham started which
What?
year? Chava Dosham starting year?
No. Chava Dosham is in the Chava Dosham is in Jatakam. And if Chava Dosham will start, it will start in February 2022.
Okay.
Till February 2029.
2029. Okay.
2022 to 2029.
29. Okay.
Now she got Moon Dasha, Chandrama Dasha.
Chandrama Dasha.
Yeah. So she has to work for the what you say.
She career.
Career, she can go any, you can say, in business, finance, fashions, and even she can go for the medical also. But
medical field.
Yeah,
okay,
medical field
she
also.
Like medical field. Okay.
She wants to go for medical field.
She likes medical field.
She likes medical field. Only she has to get a good percentage to go to medical field.
Okay.
But she can become if she cannot become a doctor, no problem. But she can go for the pharmacy level also, or even nurse level also. That is also known as medical field, you know. Yeah,
She like a doctor.
yeah. She likes doctor. She can become doctor, no problem. Only she has to have a good percentage in 10th and 12th. Yeah, she has to. Yeah, for that she has to work hard, you know.
Work harder.
Yeah, so tell, you can keep a crystal pyramid at her table, and as you said regarding diamonds, she can wear diamond studs. With that, if she can wear a margadam, that would be better for her.
Better.
Yeah, better for her. And let her be vegetarian on every Monday.
Every Monday.
Yeah, every Monday let her be vegetarian,
Vegetarian.
and she can wear green color clothes on every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, even on Wednesday, give her some green vegetables or make a vegetable of chirupar. It is very good for her.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thanks a lot.
thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, Doctor, shall we go to an SMS that's come right now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, it's from Chinnu.
Okay.
Her date of birth is 2/10/1981.
It's from Chinu.
Yes, Chinnu, 2/10/19. It's just come.
Okay, just come.
Yes.
Okay. I was looking at the. See. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, we take.
2/10/1981.
Just come, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Chinu male.
I think it should be a female.
Female.
Time is 5:15 a.m.
No, what is the date of birth?
2/10/1981.
2/10/1981.
Yes.
Friday.
Okay, 5:15 a.m. is the time.
5:15 a.m. and
Yes.
Kerala.
Yes, place is Kerala. She would like to know about her health and financial stability. Her nakshatram is Vishagam.
Okay, I will just check it out.
Yes.
Yes, she is Tula Rashi, Vishakam Nakshatra. And in Tula Rashi, if you see, the Kantaka Shani is going on from September 2009 to October 2017. And even she has Sarpadosham also. Please do the necessary prayers in your native place. Even Chavadosham is there. I will advise you, please do the necessary prayers. Your birth number 2, life path number is 4. 4 is basically a number of obstacles where for the long term assignments you will keep on getting obstacles. I would advise you can go for prosperity pendant number 6. 2, your birth number 2, life path number 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. You can go for the prosperity pendant, that is number 6. And your dasha is Budam dasha. Budam dasha is okay, fine, but only thing is Kantaka Shani up till October 2017, which will give you obstacles in your, you can say, career also. Basically she has asked about career, na?
Yes, she would like to know about her health actually, health and financial stability.
Okay, financial stability will be only better, you can say, in 2016. 2015 you have to bear with it. And subsequently regarding your health, I will say you can bound to get some digestion problem, acidity problem or constipation and some bones problem also. Drink water in silver glass, also it is very good for you. Keep a small piece of square silver in your purse. You can go for the yellow quartz, citrine quartz in the pendant format, which is available. And as I told you, prosperity pendant number is 6. I will advise you, you should keep silence fast every Saturday for at least 1 hour in the morning or 2 hours, a silence fast. And even you can also plant, for your good, you should plant 12 trees once in a year, wherever is possible, but you should plant 12 trees once in a year. And even you can also feed the pigeons every Saturday and Tuesday. Feed the pigeons every Saturday and Tuesday with cherupere,
Okay.
with green whole mung cherupere. I think that is excellent for you.
Okay, thank you, Doctor. So, appa Chinnu aicha SMS nal uttaranu. Doctor, we have a caller with us.
Okay.
Hello, namaskaram. Miliyathileku swagatham.
Hello.
Hello, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
Yeah, I'm Jaya Chandran.
Okay, Jaya.
Calling from Sharjah.
Okay, Jaya. ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എനിക്ക് എന്റെ മോളിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയേണ്ട രാജീവ് ചന്ദ്രൻ.
Okay, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. മോളുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
5th February 1991.
Okay, time?
1:06
ആ,
ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക്.
okay. PM.
മോളുടെ ഭാവിയും
1:06
കല്യാണ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ അറിയണം. ചൊവ്വാദോഷം ഉണ്ടോന്നോ അറിയണം ജാതകത്തില്.
Okay, എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
ചെങ്ങന്നൂർ, ആലപ്പുഴ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്.
Okay, she's
Kerala?
born in Kerala, yes.
1306, no?
Yes. Okay, she would like to know if the child has Chova Dosham. വേറെ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് കല്യാണത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചോ കല്യാണം അറിയണം
പിന്നെ yeah, about the marriage and her future also.
Okay, she would like to know about a future and marriage.
Okay, she is Tula Rashi, Choti Nakshatra,
Yeah.
Swati Nakshatra, Choti that is. And in Tula Rashi, as I told you, the Kantaka Shani, yes. Shani is going on. Kantaka Shani is going on from September 2009 to October 2017.
Okay.
And yes, she has got Chava Dosham.
Okay.
Okay, and she, what is the question about marriage?
Marriage, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, marriage
Whether it
will,
will take place
yes,
next year or
marriage
something.
will be delayed because of Chava Dosham. I think marriage will be delayed. She's birth number 5, life path number is 9, and the
Okay.
dasha which she is going on is presently Guru Dasha.
Okay.
I think Guru Dasha is okay up till 2023, February 2023, but the main aspect is like the Chava Dosham and plus the Kantaka Shani which is going on. So that will create you can say some obstacles regarding marriage also. I will say that if it is possible, it will be possible before 27-28. There is one yogam for 27-28. If you can do that, it is better. Otherwise it will be 32-33. You have to wait for 3 or 4 years after that, you know.
So only by 27-28 she can get married. She'll
Yeah,
get married.
27, approximately 27, you can say average 27, so you can say 26, 27, 28 maximum.
Okay, so it won't be there in next week or
No,
next
it
year
is
or
not
something?
favorable also to go for the marriage very very fast, you know, now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it will
And
not
what
be
about her future and job and all?
yeah, job will be quite stable, but not now. She has to struggle up till the Shani period goes off. Job will be stable only, you can say, in 2016 at the end of the Shani period. So 2016 and up till end 2017, I think she should get good results regarding the same. And I advise her, you know, let her do service to the elders, you know, whenever is possible, or donation
Okay.
to the old age home on her
Okay.
name. Make a donation to the old age home on her name, you know. And even she can go for the citrine quartz crystal.
Okay.
As I told you, the prosperity pendant number 5 will be better for her because she's birth number 5.
Okay.
And even she should be vegetarian on Thursday.
Okay.
Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo, tell her.
Okay, sure.
And do not wash her clothes, or even if you avoid washing the clothes of your house, you know, on Thursday, that would bring
Okay.
good prosperity for the house also for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot
And
for
thank you
calling.
so much.
Yeah, bye bye. Doctor, we'll go
Bye-bye.
to another SMS. Matthew.
Okay, that is
Yes, Matthew, 12/2/1974.
okay.
Time of birth is 9:55 p.m. Born in Kerala. Would like to know about his financial issues and career.
Okay, he is Tula Rashi, Choti Nakshatra, and Kantaka Shani is going on. So naturally, up till October 2017, so naturally you have to face quite ups and down, more little ups and more downs regarding the same. I think financial issues has to be there. There will be some credit card of some loans which is payable. You have to pay them, and it's sometime in during the mid time of next year you may find it difficult also to pay. And even you got Chava Dosham, even Shani Dasha is there up till January 2016. So I think up till next year would be quite struggling for you, up and down regarding to meet your finances. I will advise you do some remedies. Be vegetarian on Saturday. Wear amethyst crystal for you. Prosperity pendant number 3 would be very good for you. Plus, even if you can take a flute for yourself also, do this once a month. Take a flute, put sugar and coconut powder. Put sugar and coconut powder in it and bury it where you see lot of ants, or at the base of any tree, you know, where there are lot of ants.
Yeah.
So that would be good food for the ants for 1 month. Do this once a month every time. And even you can keep a fast on Saturday if it is possible for you. Be a vegetarian and fast on Saturday. And regarding the Annadanam, feed 8 poor people once a month. That is, feed 8 poor people once a month for 6 months. feed 8 poor people for once a month, 6 months with a vegetarian food. Poor people means that laborers, you can have it in the labor camps or baldias, or you can say natur, or even the garages people, or even the petrol stations where they are doing this car wash.
Yes.
They are also, you know, car cleanings and all. There you can do this Annadanam. I think with vegetarian food, it would give you very good results regarding the same. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, namaskaram.
ഹലോ
നമസ്കാരം, എഴുത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഞാൻ എന്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
പറയൂ, പേര് പറയൂ.
പേര് അനിൽ.
ഓക്കെ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
ടൈം
ഡേറ്റ് പറയൂ.
8:50 AM.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്
ഡേറ്റ്
പറയൂ.
7th August 1968.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം
8:50 AM.
8:50 ആണോ?
50.
ഓക്കെ, 8:50 AM.
Yeah.
പ്ലേസ്?
പ്ലേസ് ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം, കേരള.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ കാര്യം അറിയാനാണ്. ബിക്കോസ് ഹീസ് ലോസ്റ്റ് ഹിസ് ജോബ് യെസ്റ്റർഡേ. So I just wanted to know his job prospects.
Okay. 7th August 1968. Time is 8:50 AM. Born in Kerala.
Kerala, yes.
Yeah,
He is
about his job.
Uttaradam Nakshatra, Makar Rashi,
Yeah,
Uttaradam
correct.
Nakshatra. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, he doesn't have presently Shani, but he got Chava Dosham.
Okay.
And you belong to which religion?
Hindu.
Have you done Sarpadosham prayers in your native place anytime?
I think we have done it before.
Long back, you can say?
Yeah.
See, this has to be done properly, that he should be present in the in the prayers. Yes, in the prayers, you know, he should be present. It's not only giving the money and doing the things. So if he has not done, do this Sarpadosham prayers in your native place properly.
Okay.
So this is very, very necessary. That is why he is getting obstacles regarding the same, and that is why his career is still up till not stable. His birth number 7 and life path number is 3. If you total
Okay.
up, it is number 3. And Dasha is also okay, not bad. It is Guru Vyam Dasha up till 2022. Correct?
Vyam Dasha.
Yeah, Vyam Dasha. And you said he has just lost the job, huh?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay. It is very unfortunate, but I think you can do some remedies for him to have a better 2015. Okay, I will just
Okay.
tell you the remedies because of, as I told you, this not doing necessary prayers. This is suddenly happen. Usually, what happens?
Okay.
He is always having suddenly things in the life. You know, sudden events basically.
Yeah, he always has that.
Always having sudden events, either good or bad, but always sudden events for him.
Yeah, this was also a sudden.
This also was a sudden event. It is not pre-planned, nothing, everything, and it's just a shock for him at this stage of time, you know.
Yeah.
And his Guru Vyam was also quite weak, you know. So I would advise him
Okay.
on Thursday and Saturday he should be a vegetarian food. On Thursday, do not give loan, avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, avoid shampoo. And you
Okay.
also avoid washing machine on Thursdays.
Okay.
He can go for the yellow citrine quartz and a prosperity pendant number 7. He can keep also
Prosperity.
and wherever he is sleeping, he can keep a crystal pyramid next to head side, bed side.
Crystal pyramid.
Yes, next to head side, bed side.
Okay, that I
And
will.
yes, and even he can keep a fast on Thursday. Suppose if he can keep a fast on Thursday, it is very good for him.
Okay.
And always tell him to donate in the orphanage. Food, orphanage.
we
Yes.
always do that.
Always doing it. Food, fruits, or medicines, because they lack medicines also at the same time. You know, some medicines or tonics or vitamins. He can donate in the orphanage. Do not give money.
Okay.
Give the things directly to this institution, so it will not be misused.
To the orphanages.
Yeah, to the orphanage. That would quite help him out.
Okay, that will be.
And even one more thing I will tell you, he can always donate school bags, school shoes, black color school bags or black color umbrella to the poor or to the school going children. That would help him very good.
School going children.
Yeah.
Okay.
So black shoes,
That's-
black
yeah.
bags, or black umbrellas, or whatever it is, black raincoat, whatever it is, especially black in color, that would dilute lot of negative energies regarding the same. And tell him to take salt water bath once a week. Salt water bath once a week regularly. Tell him to take regularly. I think he would get very good results within next 60 to 90 days after doing all these remedies.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
Bye-bye.
Right.
Well, Doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Okay.
It's from Shreya.
Direct?
Yeah,
Okay,
Shreya.
okay. Shreya. Okay, fine.
Date of birth is 18/9/1974.
Okay.
Place of birth is Chennai. Time is 7:15 a.m.
Yes.
What she's written is she had a government job
Yes.
which she had to resign, and she would like to know when she'll get the job, when she'll
When
be
she will
getting
get a good job.
Yes,
Okay.
and she has Kandaka Shani, and when will that be over?
Okay, she is Kanya Rashi, Chitra Nakshatra, and Kantaka Shani actually is just finished. She has been struggling for a long time,
Okay.
and Kantaka Shani just finished in November 2014, and but she have Shani Dasha.
Okay.
That's the main issue. Shani Dasha from April 2013 to 2032. So that would not give her the favorable results regarding the same for whatever job she is looking after. But she will not get a government job. She can get a favorable job approximately in the mid of 2015. You have to wait for 6 more months, or approximately April, May, June is a favorable period for you to get a favorable job. I will advise you can go for some remedies if you want the same. I will tell you can go for a citrine quartz crystal, and even a prosperity pendant, that is number 1, that would give you good results. Plus wash your feet before you go to bed. Take salt on Wednesday with little manjan, that is turmeric, very
Turmeric,
little,
yes.
every Wednesday. That budam will be very good. Wash your feet before you go to bed, and even you have to donate some toys or educational books to the children. Donate some toys or educational books to the children. That will make them happy. Not poor children, but just the children. Any children you give them, they will get a good smile.
Yes.
When you give them the gift. And even you can wear a silver chain in your neck for the favorable results. And always avoid bath at night. Always avoid bath at night, and do not wipe your hands when you wash with the same clothes you are wearing. Usually people have the habit.
Yes.
Gents is usually
Yes.
with a lungi.
Yes. They tend to wipe it on their
Wipe it
dress.
with the
yes.
same dress. So do avoid these things. I think you will get very good results, very favorable results for your job. Okay.
All right, Doctor. Thank you.
Yeah.
അപ്പം ശ്രേയ ഡോക്ടർ കുമാർ പറഞ്ഞത് കേട്ടു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. Doctor will go to another SMS.
SMS again.
Yes,
Yes.
Sharanya.
Okay.
2/1/1981. Time is 5:15 a.m. Place is Kerala. Star is Vishakam. And she's also given her husband's date of birth is 10/1/74. Time is 8:20 a.m. Place is Kerala. Star is Puyam. They've been married for 8 years, and she would like to know when they'll have kids.
Okay. Correct. See, this usually have to be quite in detail, and you have to do lot of remedies. Both of them combinedly have to do lot of remedies. But regarding the same, I don't see presently any in the coming for any you can say positive answer for this.
Okay.
Yes, in the very shortcoming, I don't see any positive answer for this. But if you want to have this detail, then you have to do a lot of remedies regarding the same, separate remedies for the wife and separate remedies for the men.
Okay.
And I don't know up till what you have done also, the groundwork, for
Yes.
8 years. Naturally, you must have consulted lot of other people also. So, but to be frankly, I don't want to give false hope. In the coming very, very near future, I don't see any positive result.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Doctor. Thank you for that. So, Sharanya, that was the answer for your SMS. All right, Doctor. Shall we go to one more SMS
Yeah.
that's come now?
Life,
Yes.
very good, excellent.
Okay, it's from Kirti.
Yes.
Date of birth is 29/6/1983.
26.
29/6/1983.
29/06/1983.
Yes, time
Wednesday,
is 9:28 a.m.
9:20 a.m.
9:28.
9:28.
Yes.
9:28 a.m.
She's born in Thrissur, Kerala.
Kerala, okay.
Her star is Avitam. She would like to know about her job, her future, and that's it. Her job and future.
Job and future, Avitam. Okay, fine.
So that
Yes.
was from Kirti. Yes.
Yeah, Makar Rashi, Dhanishta, that is Avitam Nakshatra. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, and she, okay, you don't have any Ardha Shani, any Kantaka Shani. You have Chavadosham and you also have Sarpadosham. I don't know whether you have done the prayers, necessary prayers for this Sarpadosham. It is very, very necessary. And there are 2 or 3 planets which are in the 12th house which are not very, very favorable. You have to be very, very careful in your life. Very, very careful. Otherwise, you can attract any type of litigation. Yes, this is what I see, from her. And your favorable points, your birth number 2 and even life path number is also 2. So you are ruled by moon as per numerology. The Dasha which is going on is Guru Vyam Dasha. I think it's up till July 2023. That is good, not a problem. But what is the question now regarding?
She would like to know about her job.
Okay.
Job and her future and her luck.
Okay. Okay, your favorable number, lucky number is 2. You can go for the prosperity pendant with number 2. Regarding job, I don't see any changes in the job now in this year also, and not early next year. Maybe second half of you can have a better job. If you're working now, it's okay, but otherwise a better job you will just attract only after July, August. And regarding future, just here written.
Yes.
Okay, I think future is okay, stable, nothing to worry. Only there may be some financials up and down. But this Sarpadosham prayers, if you don't do, you will always have obstacles at the last moment. You will see that everything is going on very, very fine, but at the last moment you get rejection or negative answers from the people. I would advise you can go for the amethyst crystal. That would be very good for you. Prosperity pendant number is 2. Even you can keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always. And I would advise you can fast on Monday. Fast on Monday would be very, very favorable for you. Either you have lunch or dinner, and even vegetarian food on Saturday and Thursday also. Avoid white things in the night like white milk, yogurt, lassi, and even radish, mulangi, and even if you can avoid rice at night. Chapati is good for you. Rice will be not favorable. Once in a way it is good. You can have biryani rice, but don't take the white normal rice. And even you can you have to give up a favorable you can say a favorite food or fruit for 62 days. Just give it up, a favorite food or fruit for 62 days, and after that you can just continue it at the same time. And even I would advise you can keep what you say, either a salt water or a sea water in a small tumbler in the north area. Either sea water if you get, or a salt water in the north area of your living room of your house in a small tumbler. And you should always do not deal in any iron things, and always donate oil or ghee to the needy people. That would give you very good results.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Doctor. So,
Okay, yes.
Doctor, it's almost time for us to wind up the show.
Wind up, okay,
Yes,
okay,
thanks a
thank you.
lot once again for being on Medium.
My pleasure to serve you all.
Yes, so
Thank you
ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു
very much.
എപ്പിസോഡ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ സമയമായിരിക്കണം. ഈ തേഴ്സ്ഡേയും ഡോക്ടർ ഇവിടെ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് 25th December, the same time 2 to 3. അപ്പോൾ നാളെ വീണ്ടും I'll be coming up with another guest. Until then, it's me, Sherin. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Nandi, namaskaram.